Hello friend, I am Vivas Malik, and in this video I'll show you how you can get Coursera Plus membership plan in just $1. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. And please, I will suggest you to visit my YouTube channel homepage. You will find some awesome useful content. Let's start this tutorial. Here you can see I got a community guidelines stack, so I did not create any new videos. Here you can see this is the normal price of for Coursera Plus membership. Unlimited access, 7,000 world class course, hands-on project, job ready certificate program, all included in your subscription. Here you can see $59 per month, but I will provide you how you can get in just $1. Here you can see on a this is the payment page. Here you can see a Coursera Plus subscription, and also you can see the total amount. I can also refresh this page to show you this is not a inspect element or anything else. Here you can see $1. Let's start this tutorial how you can get in just $1. I have this magic link. I will provide in this link on my blog website, so don't worry. Simply go to the magic link and click on here save now. Then click here your name and email address and password. I will use my this email address. You can use also your Outlook mail or Hotmail mail or any others mail. Simply type here your name, then click on join for free button. It will redirect you on new page. Sorry, this is a captcha. I don't think so. I am a human being. Wow, I am a human. It will redirect you to new page, that is a payment page. Here you can see simply, and here you can see also $1. Simply add your card detail and select your country, where are you from, and just click on this pay now button, and you will get Coursera Plus subscription in just $1. And this is the for 1 month. Here you can see also monthly subscription. And if you need anything from these, then you can contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price, like Prime Video or old Facebook page or GitHub student developer pack or Skillshare 3-month account or Canva premium or Grammarly premium or Office 365 for 1 year or Grammarly premium for 1 year also, and Windows 10 11 or any Windows key which is original. Or if you need any WordPress theme or plugin, then I can provide you in a cheap price. And these all of these are GPL license, so you will get also update like GeneratePress, DV, JNews, Woodmart newspaper, Jana, ClickMag extra, and these are the plugin. If you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. And I will provide the magic link on my blog website. This is my blog website, khalifablog.blogspot.com, and I will provide their magic link. And here you can see also how to view any hidden content. Before view the magic link, you can simply read this article. Thank you for watching video.